Yung may mga balance ko, pwede na pong mag-settle. Thank you. Ilan na yan? Ilan na? Paki-check muna kung kumpleto na. Isa ba? Hindi. Basta pag ano, wala nang bilang to. Dalawa pa. O, dalawa pa daw. Pasok na.
Working on the weekend like usual. Way out in the deep end like usual. 20 past us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too good. Budget got the party on my wrist going nuts. I'll be slipping once okay, so what? Someone needs a block off, I tell you who's up. Man, I thought some girls would be real too clutch. Say my things remember, but I keep waking up. Hey, see my text, baby, please say something. Behind by the flash, and then she stay home. This is how I move off my beliefs, stay home.
Okay na. Cameraman, pre. Cameraman.
Ikaw na mag-mic.
Hello, mic check! Andito na si Chito.
Working on the weekend like usual.
Saka tayo, pre.
Sige, usa. Pagkakas.
They doing too much.
Parang walang ROTC mo kasi.
Number 55 to number 8. 2 points by number 8. Varion, side step. Pero wala. Nakuha ni number 6. Number 6 passes to Kobe sana, pero hindi nakuha. Ay, kailangan pala si Kobe. Number 8, sinina sa the west. Wala, nakuha ni number 8, number 8. Number 8 na wala na.
Di mo ba na? Wala.
Hello.
Ay. Ay, wala ba din? Wala.
Hello. Mic check.
Ayan.
Hindi, ano yan? Hello.
Ayan.
To number 8.
Okay.
Number 12, rebounds the ball, passes to Ay. Last touch by number 13.
Timer up.
Number 6, put back. Number 7, Flores, short. Oh my God. Di ko lang. Oh, na-score 2 points. Ginelli ba? Ay, hindi pa rin talaga. Ayaw na. 2 points by Denmark. Kitang-kita sa camera, boy. Number 55. Dribbling the ball. Penetrates the mid. Pass to number 8 to number 8 to left. Number 8 to the rest. Wala ka rin nakuha pa rin number 8. Number 8 connection to number 6. Number 6 to Blackheart. Blackheart sa mid. Pero wala. Nakuha ni number 8. Kinaldag to number 6. Number 6 fake. Pinore wala. Nakuha ni Kobe. Kobe dribbling the ball. Binaba ang bola. Passes to Sando. To number 7, to number 13, number 13, pass to number 7, number 7. Jumeli yung katawan, hindi yung kamay. Pass to Blackheart, to number 13 steals the ball. Up to Kobe. To number 8, rebounds the ball. And pass to number 8 connection. Pero napasipag yung fences ni number 12, pero hindi na go. Nakuha, number 8 connection talaga. Ang galit doon. Marion, ayaw ibigay sa uno. Number 12, takes. Wala, nakuha ni number 8. Number 8 passes to number 12, pero wala kang pala yun. Oh! Nakakuha ng foul at pinasayaw ang tatlo. Dalawa na pala. Number 13 to number 7. Number 7 passes to number 12, number 12. Nabila ko ng bola naman. Number 55 to number 8. Number 8. Easy 2 points. Number 12 to number 13. Number 13 dribbling the ball. Number 13 penetrates. At shoot. Ginamit ang board. 2 points. Oh! Number 13, napakabilis. Nakuha ang bola parang... Oops! Number 13 sa gitna. Passes to number... Oh! Hindi nakuha ni Kobe. Nabitawan na bola. Ay!
Kita-kita pala yung score.
Number 5. Number 6. Gets the ball. Pass to number 55. Back pass. Pass to number 6. Number 6 to 8. 2 points by number 8. Red Sandal. Osip. Kobe. Dribbling the ball. Kobe passes to White Sandal. Sa restaurant naman ni 55. Nakuha ng number 13. Napakagaling naman nun. 6 minutes. Yun. Number 7, nakuha ng nastilan, pero hindi. Nasa kanya pa rin ang bola, ball control, passes to bad pass.
Apat.
Mas nagano ako dun sa group. Nag-join ako dun sa group na.
Ano kayo nag-group na?
Yung may Reyes, si Papa. Isang daw sila babae.
Barrion, dribbling the ball. What a move by Barrion. Number 8. Number 8 passes to Boraki Bird. Big. 2 points. Ay, foul daw. Foul. Kanto ba? Hold the ball. Passes to 55. Pero nakakaya ni White Sandal. Lays it up. 2 points. Bulati gives the ball. Passes to number 8. Number 8 takes it from G. 3 points. Number 7, lumatake. Side step. Pero wala ni number 55. Lumitipa si Barrion. Number 55. Sa tres. Sobrang shooter niyan. Anina ba yan?
Dapat pa.
Oh! Nakabunggo ng pader. Aray mo. Sa tres. Wala pa naman number 8. Number 8. Passes to Bulati. Umatake sa gitna. Pero nakakuha ng foul. Who's foul rep? Ay, wala pa ng Beverly. Foul by Kobe. Number 55. Goes over, comes to number 8. 8 sa Torres. Napakainin ang kamay noon. Slow ka naman. Number 12. Attacks. Pero wala. Wala na naman. Oh, counted pa kay Denmark. Number 6 pass to number 8. Number 8 to race the 3 again. Pero hindi na sumablay. Grabe na yun. 2 points. In and out. Tinira. Wala. At nakakuha ka na ng foul from side end.
Ay, timer.
3 minutes and 14 seconds. Ay, nakuha number 8. Wow! What a move! At namayap! At tinignan! Pero nakuha pa rin ng PN. White up. 2 points. Punch to number 8. Pero nakuha na naman ni Mr. Steeler. Mr. Steeler. Number 13. Sinatake ang gitna. What a pass! 2 points. Borati to number 8. Number 8 comes to number 8. Sa tres. Dun nakabutol ng shooting streak niya. Number 12 gumagawa. Oh, what a move. Oh, pero nakuha na ba ni Mr. Shooter. Papawis TV. 6 to number 8 to number 8 connection. Wala to number 6 pero hindi niya na-shoot. Sayang na.
Ubus na daw.
Oh, number 7. Number 7, ito na gumagawa na ng himala. Pumasok sa gitna. Wala pasok sa Sandokan. Sandokan kinuha pero hindi nakuha. Number 6 passes to number 8. Number 8, ito na po. Ang lumakay sa tangke. 2 points. Tevez. Marion.
1 minute and 50 seconds.
Marion versus Bakal CB. Pero nabilawan niya. Wala dribbling skills. Sinira sa 3. Tapos wala nakuha ni number 8. Number 8. Oh. Passes to number 8. Number 8. Flore, pero nakubos na ang shooting niya. Number 13. Dribbling kills. At nakatayo na lang si Marion. Ay.
Last 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Pinasa sa outside ni Idol.
Marion. Dribbling the ball. Ano kaya ang iniisip nito? Quick passes to Sandokan. Sandokan. Dun, Kobe. Kobe, eto na, ang the move. Oh my God, parang Luka Doncic. 2 points. At nakuha hindi pala kampi niya pala yung black t-shirt to number 8. Number 8, muntikan na. Kobe got the ball. At nakuha ni Sandokan. Sandokan, tumira. 2 points. At nakuha na ng number 55.
20 seconds.
Oh, wala 30 seconds.
20,
20 seconds na lang.
18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Wow, 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 wow.